Thomas is a dick. Hey! Go fuck yourself.
No, I don't really feel like it.
Fucking meow! The house rocked. Broken glass tinkled. Plaster was everywhere.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.
Thomas thinks no engine works as hard as he does. He loves playing tricks on them, including Gordon, the biggest and proudest engine of all. Thomas likes whistling rudely at him. He was just going to sleep when Thomas came up in his cheeky way.
Think fast, chuckle nuts!
Instead of going to sleep again, Gordon thought how he could get back at Thomas. One morning, Thomas wouldn't wake up. His driver and fireman couldn't make him stiff. His fire went out and there was not enough steam. It was nearly time for the express. People were waiting, but the coaches weren't stiff. At last, Thomas started. He fussed into the station where Gordon was waiting. Hurry up, you!
Shut your fucking mouth! No problem, John. Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Yes, said Gordon, I will. And almost before the coaches had stopped moving, Gordon reversed quickly and was coupled to the train. Behind the big trains to help them start, but he was always uncoupled first. Right! And Gordon started so quickly they forgot to uncouple Thomas. Gordon's chance had come.
I'm horny!
Come on, puffed Gordon to the coaches. The train went faster and faster, too fast for Thomas. He wanted to stop, but he couldn't. Peep, peep, stop, stop! Poor Thomas was going faster than he had ever gone before. He was out of breath and his wheels hurt him, but he had to go on. I shall never be the same again, he thought sadly. My wheels will be quite stiff. At last they stopped at a station.
I hate me.
And he felt very silly and exhausted. Next, he went on to a turntable, thinking of everyone laughing at him.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Thank you for
Good morning.
Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
And then he ran onto a siding out of the way.
I'm gonna fucking find your house and location. I will go to your address and erratically murder you and your whole entire family. I will rape you. I hope you can sleep with two eyes open, you little shit.
Poor Thomas couldn't answer. He had no breath. He just puffed slowly away to rest and had a long, long drink. He went home very slowly and was careful afterwards never to be cheeky to Gordon again.